My name is Réjean Bourgault. I'm the country leader for AWS Public Sector in Canada. What we're looking the most at the summit is really to see customer talking to customer, learning from each other, learning from partners, learning from our expert, visiting the expo, and obviously attending the keynote to get some key lesson learned on how to be successful with AWS Cloud.
I think the thing that I was looking most forward to for the summit was just being together in person. It's been a long time since we've had the opportunity to meet face to face. That experience that you get when you're talking and working with each other in that capacity just can't be recreated online.
I'm Liam Maxwell. I'm the Director of Government Transformation for AWS, and my team helps senior operational leaders in governments around the world accelerate their modernization and transformation programs. My key takeaway from a summit is collaboration. There are great ideas here. We can only get those things working together with our partners, with our customers, and with the great tech teams at AWS to help move forward the customers' modernization journeys.
This conference is valuable because it shows the innovation that's happening around EDS today. We love to hear about how other customers are taking problems and solving them using technologies. It gives us ideas for how to solve issues that we have.
The highlight for me was having the opportunity to present and talk about the ways that we think about innovation, and also hearing how others are thinking about innovation and finding that there's such great alignment and how much progress we can really make when we have that kind of alignment.
We are on the map here in Ottawa, Canada. Our government entities can see firsthand what we've been doing for the last few pandemic years. We have multiple speakers, partners, and customers advocating to their experiences in the cloud and willing to share their stories for the benefit of all markets in government, defense, healthcare, education, enterprise, and startup communities.
So I'm really thankful actually for AWS, because when COVID hit, we were all in on AWS and we were able to scale out really well and keep schools running around the world.
You know, our partnership with AWS has really helped us differentiate ourselves, our stories to our clients, in that it is truly a partnership. We have been working hand in hand with the folks at AWS over the last couple of years to really build differentiated client, citizen-centric experiences for the citizen. And again, a large part is based on that partnership with AWS.